Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What's up guys, it's your boy Leg, and today, as you can see, I've got some new S-Line exhaust tips, what are part of Aurora's black pack. Now I thought we'd do a quick little video and show you guys just how to swap these over and replace these, because of, one, they come with the car and they needed fitting, and if I turn you around and show you, these are the current tips on the back of Aurora, which are very grimy and old. So as I've got these nice black pack S-Line tips, I think we'll replace them for now until the future when we change the whole exhaust. But temporarily these are going to be a bit of an upgrade on her. So yeah, let's get this done and show you guys how you can do it nice and easy, quick swap if you need to. So in order to get these off guys, I believe it's just a real good wiggle and a tug, but they've been on there a long time, so it's probably not going to be the easiest to come off. Yeah, they're on there real solid. Oh Jesus, not much room for manoeuvring either. But I was expecting them to be on there tough, or the other guy would have fit than what I brought it off. Coming slowly. They're coming. Coming off. Let's try this one. There we go. Just got to wiggle them off and work them off. You think they've been on here so many years now, they're going to be hard on there. So they're not going to come off easy, but... Oh no, the car exploded! Just cut on my finger, so be careful of that guys if you're doing that. Don't scrape a load of skin off your finger like I've just done. But that's one off. Got another one to do now. And this one's even harder. And a poly finger. Come on. So you can see this one's come off, and just how built up all the muck is on it. There is an Audi badge on them. One more to go. Got it. There we go. Now you can see all the dirt and grime what's come off guys here, just flowing all over me. Bit of blood never hurt nobody, did it? And if I pan you down and now show you the exhaust here, I've got you on the wrong setting, bear with me guys. There you go. Now if I pan you down and just show you the exhaust, can you see how dirty that's got? So I'm going to grab a wire brush and I'm just going to brush these off a bit, and then we're going to fit the new ones. Right guys, I'm back. Here's the two new tips. Now, as you can see, I'm back. Here's the two new tips. Now I'm trying not to touch them because they'll show all my fingerprints on. So I've got them on a cloth there, and let's show you these. See how they've got their S-line, nice black sort of pattern on them. Much nicer and cleaner than those other ones. As part of Aurora's black pack. Now I'm going to use this old wire brush and I'm just going to clean up these pipes a bit. Oh, here comes the rain as well. I wanted to try and get this done because it's wet today. Doesn't look like we're going to get much done on the garden. Just really brushing around and just cleaning her up a bit really, because there's years of clank on them. It should make these a bit easier to go straight on. So all we do, we get them on like that, we line them up how we want, and we force them on. Excuse the bloody thumb. And we just push it down, all the way down and on. Still got lots more to go yet. There we go. And probably got to twist them to get it on the right angle there, so it butts up with the edge. Just like that. So there's one. Look at that guys, what an improvement. And this one looks like it's angled slightly that way too. So let's try her. Push her on. Getting blood everywhere now. And we can see this has got to come out a bit. Rotate a little. A little bit more. How are we doing? There's a little bit more on her, she's got to go. Yeah, so we're hitting the top, so let's twist her a bit more. Like so. Still not right. Maybe that way a bit. Like that, I think. It's looking nearly there. That's very close, so yeah, probably twist it around a bit more. Nope. What's going on here? Top's all fitting nice. There we go. That's better. Get the cloth on her. Get her up all around there. Around the rim. The grubby prints off. Perfect. Nice and shiny exhaust on her now. Let's wipe you guys too. See you got some drips on you. There we go. Right, so this is what she looks like now with her new black pack S-line pipes on. You can see the S-line written on there. Looks much better like that. And as we stand back, just like just the little things really on her. But yeah, as I say, at a later date, guys, we will be replacing the whole exhaust on her, but for now that's just a little tweak. The car come with them, so I thought I might as well put them on rather than leave them there and not use them, as the others are in such kind of rusty condition. So yeah, there's the black pack exhaust tips. And still, I've got the tint indoors to do these lights, but now it's raining. We're going to leave those lights for today. It'll have black spoiler, black skirts on the bottom, black side skirts down here. Wing mirrors are going black. I've got these replacements in black, which give a nice kind of trail light. All the chrome's going to go black. Black grills, black bumper. We're going to have black fins coming around this part of the bumper too. So lots of body styling upgrades will be done to this car in the next couple of weeks, and that's not even mentioning the stuff like the brakes, the wheels, and all the stuff we've got coming for the interior. I've even got a full wrap upstairs in the loft what I ordered, which cost me about £800, which funnily enough is Aurora green. So I might wrap her, but I do like her in white at the moment. So we'll see how it goes, but I will be wrapping the interior all in the green too. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm Leg, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.